legit cried like the whole musical. Don't steal your friend's man. Hello. So I did my hair another way because I'm gonna go watch Broadway show now. It's 5:45. So the show starts at 7. My outfit for Broadway show. So this is my look for the Wicked. Yes, the skirt that I always wear to work. Yeah, for now I tried to look fancy and did my hair like a feminine girl. So hopefully this works. So see you there.
Author's Day 2007.
Hi, welcome to Wicked. Go up on your left. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Right up the steps. Bathroom up there.
Make sure to stop by the bar before the show. Pre-order.
So confused. Where's the theater? Ah, okay. Gotta wait.
Don't miss the Theater Hall of Fame on the second floor. After the show.
Take a spoon.
Straight ahead, they'll see.
Straight ahead, they'll give you programs there.
Straight ahead, they'll see.
How many? One. H on the side of the aisle, seat number.
H. Look.
Zrób nam zdjęcie.
Jasne. Bryczka.
Nie ma broni.
I legit cried like the whole musical. I can't even. Oh, it's so embarrassing. Defying Gravity, I was like just crying the whole time.
Isn't that the whole purpose?
Honestly.
What? Isn't that the whole purpose?
This like made my New York trip. So I'm at orchestra. Seat number page 112.
Seeing it live. Thank you.
Like 9:50 now, and just finished the Broadway show.
On the next episode of Angela's first solo trip to New York, baby.
Don't steal your friend's man.